Hi, my name is Joey Accardo. I'm the Technical Manager for Epiroc Surface and Exploration Drills in the U.S. In this segment, we're going to cover how to utilize the stabilizing jacks, both front and rear, on the FlexiROC T15. In order to operate the jacks and any other function from the remote on the FlexiROC T15, it's important to sound the horn first. This enables the machine to accept the commands. At this point, we want to make sure that we are in tram mode, as indicated by the track, and we can then use the two rightmost switches to operate the front jacks, and we take them down until we have ground contact, but there's no need to lift the machine off the ground. It is okay to use them independently of one another, however, to level the machine. Then we use the third switch from the right to deploy the rear jacks. They both deploy together. And that's all. To undo that and go back to tramming, once the machine is in the transport position and stabilized, all we do is lift the rear jacks and the front two jacks. Once this is done, we're ready to move to the next hole. As with any other drilling related topic, if you have any other questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to one of our Epiroc service centers or your local distributor partner.